Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to go through the process of creating a new repair and making your first repair ticket. So, in order to make your repair, you're going to go to the Create Repair option, and this is either available from the Quick Action tab here, or going over here to Repairs, or this square right here. This will take you to the repair screen where you will be able to press on the plus on the top right of your screen, which will be bringing you to the new repair screen. Here you'll be able to choose the device's information, whether it's a phone, a tablet, desktop, or laptop, whatever the defective part may be that you're going to be repairing, the name of the device, the lock code if it has one, and whether or not it's non-testable, and what things are functioning or not if it is testable. So we'll just go with non-testable. Next step. On step 2, we'll be able to put an estimate of the price or the labor cost here, as well as adding any parts that are going to be necessary. So if we know we need an LCD for this repair, we'll be adding that LCD right there, and we can go next. Here we'll be able to link the repair to a customer and a technician. We can create a new customer, or we can select an existing customer from our list of already signed up customers. We can then go to our employee page to add the technician that's going to be working on the project. Here we can put any notes of anything that is necessary for either the technician or the customer to know about the repair, and we can take a picture of anything that might be linked to the repair as well. So for example, if you had a cracked LCD on arrival, you could put that, and then you could go ahead and take a picture of it as well. You go to submit the repair. Here's a final image of what the details look like for your repair. Scrolling to the bottom, your screen will be locked so that you have the chance to sign for the customer or sign later. Then you can accept the terms and conditions, edit anything here. If anything is wrong, you'll be able to change that, and go to submit. Here you can email the repair via email, or you can just print the repair information, or print the QR code that is necessary for labeling your devices that comes into your store. We'll just dismiss this option for now. And now we will have the newly created repair.